Hello and welcome to part 205 of Coding a Game Engine live stream, part 1, part uno of physics. Okay, so we're going to be implementing box 2D physics, so let's have a look at this now. Live stream is going to be about 25 minutes. I've got some things to do, but I wanted to make sure I get one done. Okay, box 2D, box 2. I remember we had something. We removed it, but then we removed it because we was reorganizing all the external libraries and I can. Oh yeah, because yeah, we have library files now. So yeah, that was the issue. But I can always sort that out. That's not really. We still have the project at the on the desktop. What's tutorial stuff? That's thumbnails. Yeah, that's nothing to do with this. No, no, and no. Okay, so. Hmm. Okay, so let's have a look at box 2D, box 2D, box 2D. Box 2D SFML tutorial, and I remember I'd already done some tutorials on this, and this is what I'm interested in. Well, I've got, yeah, that's just it working, doesn't actually do anything at that point. So we want to go into here. Yeah, those two files that I'm referring to. Okay. Yeah, so I'm thinking maybe have the ability to be able to create a box or a gram, possibly both, or just like either one for each object. That would be nice. Yeah, let's download each one of these files. I didn't create this, somebody else did. Okay, so let's. I download this file. Do I have to manually save it out? No, there we go. Okay, header file. I'll put it on the desktop for now. Let's get the CPP file now. CPP. The geo extension file. Do we need this? Can't remember if we do. I'll have a look in the B2 geo draw if it's in there. If it is, then we'll need it. If not, then I guess we don't. No, they're just using a built-in OpenGL thing. I don't know why I've even got that in there. I don't think we'll need that. CPP has cancelled though. Got cancelled. Let's. I won't go back on the file on the web page until it's downloaded then. Oh, good. Okay, so we've got these two files saved. CPP file will need to be made into a library file, and I mean, I'm pretty sure I removed that folder, and I'm positive that yeah, I've emptied the recycle bin multiple times since then. It's a bit. I mean, I don't think I ever backed it up. Let me have a look. If I would have done, probably would have been inside of the actual project itself. So I already had the B2GL draw. I mean, I could convert. I'm trying to think how easy would this be to convert into headeroni. I don't think that would be too difficult, to be fair. We can get rid of the PCH thing. I have to watch a video game from like the Cherno library file. I don't know why he calls himself the Cherno, but he makes good videos.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is the Cherno. Welcome back to my with package managers downloading comparison. If we didn't have this lib file, we could still use this stuff. And what I'll actually do, I'll go to C++, right click B with our exe file at runs. And the first thing I'll actually do, I'll go to C++, general, and then in additional include directories, I'm going to specify my additional include directory. Now, note your configuration and platform. Make sure you're editing the right ones. I obviously want this to apply for all configurations, so I'll just hit all configurations. Now, the include directory is the actual directory that goes into this include folder. So that's it. I could just copy this directory, but obviously you can see that it's in C users yarn documents, very specific to my computer. If someone ends up cloning this from GitHub or something like that, they're not going to have this path and their code isn't going to compile. What I actually want to do is have a path that is relative to this actual directory. So hello world is the directory with my solution, right? Everyone's going to have that if they check out my repository, because this is my repository. So inside, so starting from this solution file, which I can do by typing in solution dir, this is the one that we care about is solution. Also, I've told the compiler that
I'm pretty sure this is not the video that I'm looking for. C++ create library. That sounds more like it.
Get, I'll have to include library. Right click on this solution here, select add, and then new project. Now again, I like to set up my C++ project. Go ahead and add another project. And configuration properties and general. Sure. Game is going to be our executable. If we right click and hit properties, we're just going to make sure that under the game property pages, our configuration type under configuration properties and general is set to application. Okay, that's fine. I'll click OK, and then let's take a look at engine. I'll right click on engine, hit properties, and then for this, since we are going to be linking it statically, I'm going to make sure that my configuration type is set to static library. And that's all that we need to do to make this a static library for the most part. Again, I'm just making sure that I'm modifying this for all configurations and even for all platforms. I'm just test this out and make my, what I'm going to do is just open this book, okay? Because I'm going to pay that. Is better one so that you don't go into this point. Of course, after that, so they can game, get here editing, and then now direct. So you put that by type direct general as I'm going to right click on game, unpin source string, engine, factory play, expand this and click edit. You can see that it took that massive little like puzzle. The code. Okay, fantastic. The path that is specified. We don't. No. Everything works. completely different folder here called dist, which is on my all centralized in one project.
I think I have a rough idea what to do. Okay, so let me create a new project. Empty project is fine. Library creator. Now put in the desktop. And we'll copy that, go to desktop, go to library creator, put it over here, drag that over there, and box ID is not set up either. There's that issue, isn't there? Issue after issue with this. Let me try something else. Don't save that. Let me, because I do actually have it. I had it somewhere. I had it, I think, in the GitHub folder. I have this. Not that one. So that's the one that I want. Then in there, I'll have a template already set up, and I should just be able to make that into a library, generate a library file, and we should be all good. Okay, let me close this one down again, because we don't need SFML. Yeah. Just want to make sure SFML is not included. My computer is deciding to run super slow today. Tuan says hi, hello Tuan, how are you? Okay, finally let's just update this bad boy. Let's have a look at Look at 64-bit and make sure we're all good here. Yeah, I may not have actually set it up for 64-bit. That is okay then. Okay, so we can get rid of this. We can get rid of this. And what we're gonna do is go to box 2D and grab those two files into templates. Now we're gonna whack it here. I'm gonna put it over there. And now if we right click our project, we go to all platforms and we set configuration type to library, apply. And now if we just do a simple build, this should just generate the idea is the lib file. And let me see what happens if I remove this. B2GL draw. Okay, so let's go to our engine project again. And for our B2GL draw, we're gonna have an include file folder. We're gonna have a lib folder. No, we'll leave it as is. No point overcomplicating it. That's fine. And now we should just be able to link all this up. So B2GL draw. So now if we go into our project, B2GL draw. Make sure that's the one. Copy that. I'm gonna do the same for linker now. B2GL draw, and I was gonna do the same, not the same, I'm gonna add the dependency now. So B2GL draw, B2GL draw.lib, apply, and now if we that shouldn't be there anymore. No, why it is. Exclude from project. Let's open up PCH and Sonar H. Nope, shouldn't need that one. So the PCH, I'll need this one. Hash include, and it's called B2GL draw. Give this a build. Make sure this is still working. It should do, and I should just therefore have. Okay, so we should be all good now. Obviously, I haven't really done. Well, I have done stuff. It's got the setup done. So box 2D. Is box 2D actually here? No, but neither is SFML, to be fair. So where are those stuff? I think that's in platform specific stuff. Nope. That'll be within Mac and Windows. So box 2D. Yes, there we go. These should already just work then. So if we try and do a hash include, I know can't really do a hash include there. Yeah, it picks it all up. So that's all good. I'm happy with that. And that's it. So next time we're actually gonna work on. Yeah, I know what we'll work on next time. So I'm just gonna commit this bad boy. I need to just delete that one file that I always delete. Setup B2GL draw external library. Okay, so I want to wrap up now. I've got a couple of things to do. Thank you, Mr. Cherno. This will be 206 tomorrow. It will be number 2 of physics. And we're getting there. We are getting there. Okay, so push origin. That's it. And we're going to wrap things up here now. Thank you, everyone, for watching. It was a small, short live stream, but I wanted to make sure we get one done. So many days I have missed, and I was thinking, I'd rather get something done. There you go. We got one little small task of a major task completed. So it was all worth it. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to join the Discord group to the link in the description. If you like the live stream, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.